Hello and welcome to the second of COCC's calculator videos on the TI-8384. Today we're going to be talking about delete versus insert mode. So this is kind of cool. If you type something incorrectly on your calculator, how can you deal? Okay, so let's take a look at this first example. Okay, I meant to enter 2 plus 2 pi, but instead I typed 2 plus 3 pi. So let's type that in our calculators. There it's on 2 plus 3 second pi. Remember that pi is right here above the power key. Okay? Press enter, get an answer, slap our foreheads. Oh no, we meant 2 pi, not 3 pi. So let's check this out. To fix it, press second enter, and the calculator will rewrite the previous expression for you. So this is what you have to do on the older calculators. If you have a newer calculator, you can use the arrow to go up and just choose the old expression, but I have an old calculator. Second enter, rewrites the same thing it just did, use my arrow to go to the 3, and type a 2 instead. Yay! Now it says what I meant it to. Press enter. I got the correct answer. Yay! Yeah, I know I'm silly. Okay, let's clear that out and go on to our second example, which is using the delete button. Okay? So here we go. Turn it on. At right, I meant to enter blah, 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 but I actually entered blah, blah, blah. Oh, look, with a 15 instead of a 6. Let's type that in. 1 plus 2. Remember, to get a fraction, you're going to use the divide sign right here. 1 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 4 parentheses, so that'll mean times, 15 plus 6, close the parentheses, press enter, slap your forehead, say, oh, I didn't mean to do that. I meant 5 instead of 15. Okay, we don't want to type the whole thing again. That's too much work. Second entry retypes the last thing it did. If you did second entry more than once, it just works its way up the list of the last few things you did. Use the arrow, and there I've highlighted the 1. That's what I don't want. So now I'm going to press the delete key right here. Delete. Press enter. Yay! Now we got the right answer. Okay? So that was overwriting and delete. And now let's try using insert, which is also totally useful. Okay? So I'm going to clear my calculator. Square root. Oh, it's right here above the squared key. Square root of 3 parentheses 2 plus 3, close the parentheses for the square root. So my calculator has 2 sets of parentheses, one for the 2 plus 3 and one for the square root. If you have a newer calculator, it'll actually draw the square root the same way we would in handwriting. So let's press enter. Oh no, we made a mistake. Instead of 2, we wanted the 21. So second entry, arrow over to the plus sign right there. And now we're going to insert to the left of the plus sign. Okay? And the insert is right here above the delete key. Second insert 1. Oh, and now it says the correct thing. Square root of 3 times the quantity, 21 plus 3, press enter, we got the right answer, yay, hooray, And that's cool. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.